This is a Lexus NX 300 right there. NX 300 automatic transmission. I'm gonna be replacing the front brake pads and rotors here on both sides, and those are 21 millimeter lug nuts. And this also applies for other years, Lexus, Toyotas, very similar. 21 millimeter lug nuts. 14 millimeter bolt here and 14 here. Now sometimes these are turn here. In that case you have to grab it here with a wrench. In this case it's not turning, so it's very good for me. Now the one on the bottom, not bad at all, and it's not turning either. Now in this case you don't have to take this out completely, just lose it, but I like to take it out. It's better for me. 14 millimeter bolt here. So you just pry it out here, pry it from beneath, and take it out like this. And I'm gonna take this out right now. Oh man, nothing, only the metal. Oh man, that's so bad. Right there, 17 millimeter bolt, and I'm gonna hit it with this here. Not bad at all. Again, 17 millimeter bolt. I'm gonna get help with my cordless ratchet here. Here. Okay, I'm gonna be hitting here with a hammer. I'm gonna start slowly and tapping it. Maybe it's not that stuck. Now the thing is, if you hit it too hard and it has an ABS sensor here, sometimes you damage the ABS sensor. If you're gonna hit it too hard, the best thing to do is take out the sensor first to make sure you're not gonna have a ABS lights and the instrument cluster after you do the job. That's a brake cleaner, by the way. This is a metal brush. Okay, I'm gonna be putting some anti-seize grease here. If you apply anti-seize grease here, most likely it's not gonna get stuck in the near future. The brake caliper here, the bracket, the 217 millimeter bolt here. Make sure it goes inside by hand enough so you can tell that they're gonna go smoothly. They're gonna go inside smoothly. I'm gonna use one of the old pads here. Now this is not appropriate brake caliper piston compressor. However, I'm gonna do it with this. You can do it with a clamp, C-clamp. It will take you a little bit longer to do it with this because this is pressing most likely on this one here, on this piston, and this one is not pressing too much. So you have to switch from here to this one here. So it will take you a little bit longer, maybe 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes, I don't know. Now I'm gonna switch to the other one here. The new brake pad here. Right there. The other one here. Right there. This needs to be pushed in. Right there. and the other one too, because for a 10mm bolt here. Make sure they go inside by hand smoothly. The other one here. You might have to wiggle this sometimes. And as I said, sometimes this turn here, in that case you have to grab it with a wrench or something. Put some NS grease here in this part here. Even though the tire was not stuck here, but sometimes they get stuck here. If you do this, most likely it's not gonna get stuck. Last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go in the car, turn on the car here. Right there, car is running. You pump the brakes without moving the shifter here, because remember, the piston have been retracted. If you put it in drive or reverse like that, the car will not stop. At least 5 times. And now this you can change gears and no problem. Thanks for watching.